Wagwan my people, Dancehall skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Now there's a video circulating certain places on social media that shows when a man pointed what is believed to be a gun in the direction of a female. The video had been posted quite a number of places on social media, claiming that the video shows when a man pulled a gun and pointed the gun in the direction of a female. The video be recorded within Jamaica and the female is believed to be mentally ill. It is said that the female can be seen sometimes at a place that is known as New Kingston, that's within Jamaica. Now the situation raised concern among many people who use social media, viewers and subscribers. Many comments have been made on social media about the video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to try my best to read some of those comments to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I try to read any of those comments to you, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present a piece of the video to you so that you can get a better understanding about the whole situation. Because I got the understanding that some persons made comments on social media basically defending what the man had done, viewers and subscribers. And some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons disagreed with what the man had done. Anyways, before I present this piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that the video shows when a man pulled and pointed what is believed to be a gun in the direction of a female. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think.
What's fair, mama? What's that? How do this? Somebody else an idiot? Rascal! I want me just witness a while ago.
Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to try and read some of those comments to you, my viewers and subscribers. Please bear in mind that I might not read word for word from these comments that have been made on social media about the video. Now, one of those comments that have been made on social media about the video said, "Many of us she approached and we are still alive today. What? Because she is unsound makes her a threat? He better look out for the bike men claiming to be delivery drivers. People are always quick to abuse those who they believe can't do anything to help them." Okay, all right. That woman needs to be taken off the streets. She is very intimidating at times. She doesn't knows her place. The man did nothing wrong. She needs to stop. Okay. All right. So another comment said, "He did nothing wrong here. The man is clearly warning this woman. If he perceives her as a threat, it's his right to defend himself as he sees fit. He didn't pull the trigger." Here's another comment now, viewers and subscribers, that says, "If he did something wrong, this is the same reason why everyone in Jamaica does not have a firearm. Thank him for making the process harder, because all who talking probably would have done worse. Mr. Darling, may I beg you, let my application go through before tighten the policies again." A person not easy at all. All right, another comment said, "What that man did was justified. It was just last year a man of unsound mind used a stone to bash the head and killed a police constable, Paul Garden, in Linstead Town. Very often crazy people randomly attack people, passing and sometimes seriously hurt them. I've had very unpleasant encounters with that same madwoman demanding money from me." Here's another comment that said, I trust no one, especially if they are mentally unstable. If they kill you or hurt you, nothing comes out of it. Well, my people, yeah, hear me? Everybody have a right to their own opinion, you know. I saw it go. See it? So another comment said, all I know, when he pulled his gun, she got the message. And that's great. The videographer should have replaced the man, seeing that you are so hurt about it. Alright, another comment said, instead of putting your time and energy into investigating why the government no stop travel on taxpayer money and find a house for these people, I don't think the man would have an illegal gun out in the public like that. KMT. I think y'all might know what that means. You see me I say? Another comment said, SMH, what did he do wrong? Crimes where uno fi solve never gets solved. Leave the man alone. Another comment said, with all that's going on nowadays, why did the man choose to read out the license plate number all over social media? Now the whole world knows he has a gun. Wow, yeah, hear that, my people? Another comment said, I don't blame the guy. My space is mine. 3 letters let's put together. You so don't pull up on me like that. That is New Kingston, where all sort of SUPM GUAN NU tech NU check it. May I move to another comment, my people? See? Too many trigger happy people in Jamaica. I won't be surprised if he got that gun through links. His action was totally unwarranted. Take that gun from him. This man did nothing wrong. She's mentally ill, and people with unsound mind are usually dangerous. If she had maybe attacked him, the law wouldn't have given him any justice, because apparently she's mad. A lot of persons are terrified when they get in close contact with mad people. He did what he had to do. They need to take these people off the road. Build a facility to accommodate them. Another comment said, no question if he is licensed. He is definitely a licensed firearm holder. Another comment said, this same mad woman was at Mullines Road harassing drivers. She came up to my car begging, and a fastest she bang on it so hard I thought she gonna broke it. Good thing the traffic started to move, so I get the hell away from her. It's frightening to deal with these nuisance on the road. So, my people, you see, there are a lot of people who made comments that gave me the understanding that they basically agreed and or defended what the man had done, viewers and subscribers. However, there are some people who have different things to say about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. Now, I do not believe in violence. No, I do not believe in violence. I do not feel good to see someone pointing gun at someone, viewers and subscribers. You see, self-defense is a different thing, but at the same time, I still not feel good to see someone a point gun at someone. You understand? And I'm just being real with you. But yes, I've seen this same female in other videos on social media, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, I think that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen the same female in other videos on social media. And in at least 2 of those videos that I saw, you can hear the female keep asking for money repeatedly. It is said that she's of unsound mind, viewers and subscribers. And on a real, I hope that the government of Jamaica find a way to help mentally ill persons who are out in the public among other persons. Basically to get them off the street and get them some help to see if they can come back to a more stable mind. Now, my people, if I get any more information about this whole situation, I will let you know. That is if. See it, because a situation like this might go either ways. You see me I say? So I guess I'm gonna left it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.